Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to delay text in Google Slides so it appears at the perfect moment during your presentation. First, click on the text box you want to animate. Go to the top menu and select Insert. Then choose Animation. On the right side, change the animation type to Fade In or any effect you like. Now look for the Start Condition setting and choose On Click or After Previous. Adjust the delay slider to set exactly how long Google Slides waits before the text appears. Preview the animation to make sure the timing feels smooth and natural. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.